blessing and celebration be upon the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Honorable Principal, respected teachers and guardians, my dear brothers and sisters, I would like to introduce myself before you. My name is Jamil Akhtar. I am 12 years old. I am a student. I am studying in class 7 in Darul Islam Modern Madrasa. I want to be a guide of Islam. I am from Gopalganj, but I live in Dhaka. My father's name is Ziaur Rahman. My mother's name is Monica Begum. My brothers and sisters, the topic I am supposed to talk about the value of time. The Almighty says in the Holy Quran, in the Surah Al-Asr, verses number 1 to 3, about the significance of time. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. On the other hand, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in hadith, نعمتان مغبون فيهما كثير من الناس الصحة والفراغ. Our life is very short, but we have many things to do. What is our life? It is a collection of time. There are a sentence time and said word for none. We should make the best use of our time. Thanks a lot, dear guardians. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.